All right, so I'm here with the customer. We're going to replace this side here. And the gate you still want right here?
Yeah, a
The
little
gate?
bit wider.
A little bit wider, just a little bit.
Like one more slat wider.
Yeah, so about 6 inches more than it is now. And that'll be fine. So it's all new replacement. So it's all new fence here. And we're not going to do this side here. We're skipping this side. So this whole side, we're not going to do this side. So it'll start on, so it's Shenandoah. It's going to be a board on board, cap and trim, in the darkest one that Mo, you sent us a sample of the picture, and he wants the darkest one. And we're going to replace all this here, all new here, and then over here. All this is going to go here between the pillars, and then all the way over here. There's nothing on the other side, so we're good. It's a nice clean. There's no trees or anything in the way. Is there any sprinklers near?
There is, but the sprinkler system doesn't work, so you can do it.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Do you want us to check the sprinkler system?
No, I had it checked, and it needs to be fully replaced.
I'll have them just do a check for free
Okay.
because we're licensed,
All right.
just to give you a second opinion.
Okay,
Because
yeah.
it might be like, oh, hey,
Yeah.
because some people say that. We're not going to have a gate here, so it's going to be all new, as you can see, all the way over here. No gate, so we're excluding that other side. And yep, that's it. Remember, it's going to be board on board, cap and trim, number 2 Japanese cedar, and look at all the details. Okay, there's a little thing here, so let's make this look right. As you can see, there's a sprinkler valve here, and the double check PVV. It's called PVV valve. So he don't want this here, so we're gonna remove this. So the new fence, we're gonna have to make it, probably, I'm thinking, make it work around this here, somewhere around here. I don't really want it butting up here, but if we have to, make it look nice and neat. But more than likely, let's try to make it angled here, from here, to make it better. I don't like the way that looks, but we'll make it look the best we can there
Yeah, I have
to
no
work
doubts.
with that.